Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into Bootloader. So to get started, hold the power button and volume up at the same time. This brings up your boot options, and from here simply select power off. When the device turns off, hold the power button and volume down at the same time. And when you feel a vibration, you can let go of the power button. Now if you don't feel it in like 10 seconds, you can let go of the power button and start holding it again. Yep, there we go. There was the vibration, so I'm gonna let go of the power button. And as you can see, this boots us into Bootloader. Now in here, we can navigate using volume buttons, so you can scroll down or up, and there's one option visible at a time right here. So the first one is Start, which takes us back to Android, and if we scroll down we have Restart Bootloader, which just brings us back here. Recovery Mode takes us to the dedicated recovery mode, Rescue Mode, Barcode, we have Power Off, and we should then go back to Start. Now whatever we have selected, if you want to confirm that option, which I do want to confirm Start to get back to Android, press power button, and it's gonna now reboot the device and bring us back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.